Okay, welcome back in the shop, folks. Today I have a cup here where the tab broke off for the handle, and I've already sanded it, got the paint off of it in the areas that we're going to re-spot weld this on the cup. That's where it went, right there. And I just happen to have a small spot welder, so we're going to reattach this to the cup and fix the cup. So this spot welder has to charge, and it's actually ready now. It's been charging for about 30 minutes. So you let it charge up, and then we can change the setting on it here. I'll go ahead and crank it up all the way. All right, so how this one works is we get it right where we want it, just like it's where I want it. Oh, it moved on me. So the first ones are just light ones until we get it to stick, and then we'll put some serious welds in there. We'll try this again. Get it just right. All right, it is re-secured. Now we just want to get it together, fully together. Something to try to make it less movable. You know what? Let's get a clamp out. You just make sure that's in the right location. Yes, it is. Should have done this to begin with. All right, and that's had a minute to charge back up. Slide this over a little closer. It's holding pretty good. I'm gonna put a few more on it just to make sure it stays put. This little spot welder is not actually made for this thick of material. It's made for welding tabs on batteries. But on its highest setting, it does a pretty good job. I'm just trying to make sure I get good connections here, good bonds. It only powers for a few seconds, if that. It's more milliseconds. That should do it. Feels nice and firm. It's reattached now. And this is all stainless, so should be pretty good. Take a little piece of Scotch-Brite here and just clean up the corner there. And now the cup is back together. Pretty easy.